In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code with this quick hack here in Google Sheets. So let's say you want to create a functional QR code that when you scan it, it will lead you back to your text, to your serial number, to this name, or to these URLs. Here's how to do it. So we're going to be using a QR code from this QR code generator website where we have QR code API. This QR code generator website, you can go check it out. That's goqr.me/API/. I'll be leaving the link down in the description. And we have here, create an image with this URL right here, which will again generate a QR code with the content of whatever we choose. So let's go ahead and copy that. Go back to our spreadsheet and try it out. So again, it said that we're going to do it with the image function. There we have it. Paste in our URL in quotations. So we already copied our URL. We're just going to paste it. You can use Control V or Command V, or you can right click and select paste. Anyway, we already have our URL right here. Again, that will generate our QR code based on the data that we're going to be inputting right here. So we can replace this part with anything. We can have it from this one, but we can only hard code it. So we can do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, closing quotations, and press enter. And there you have it. So it's quite small right now. We're just going to resize these right here. There you have it. We have that QR code for that data that we have on our first column. If we drag this down right here, of course, it's going to be the same because our serial number is hard-coded. So if we're going to change that into something else, press enter. Again, it will give us a different QR code. You can go ahead and scan this and see if it works. You can use your iPhone, your Android phone, it doesn't matter. You can scan these codes and these serial numbers or text will appear. Now, what about if we're trying to put in or encode a URL within our QR code? So to encode or to add our URL within our QR code, what we're going to do is to concatenate it with this URL. So let's get started. We're just going to again copy that formula. There we go, and paste it right here. There we have it. We're going to remove that data or our sample data from below. And after the quotation marks, we're going to use the ampersand to concatenate our URL right here. If we press enter, and here we have generated our QR codes. If we drag this down, it will be generating a QR code for each of these URL on our first column. Let's go ahead and resize that. There you have it. So again, if you try and scan these codes right now with any type of phone that you're using, you will be led to these URLs right here on our first column. Now, if you're going to be making a bigger sized QR code like so, let's try and make this first one big. There you have it. Now, the bigger the image, the more pixelated it will be. But no worries, you can always change its dimensions or its pixels so you can make it clear or not as pixelated. We can change that by changing the numbers right here. Let's make it bigger. Instead of 150, we're going to turn it to 300. If we press enter, there you have it. You'll see the difference from this to that. This is definitely much clearer. And there you have it. Again, you can test this all you want. You can scan these codes and it will lead you to all these websites or to these text and serial numbers right here. And that's how you can create a QR code with this quick hack here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.